Hey guys, if you're like me, you've got a RDH Freedom handpiece that you've somewhere along the line realized the batteries have given out in it and you wanted to try to replace it because you know there's no more warranty left. Well, I went through the painful task of disassembling mine. Now, I did drop it on the floor like when it finally let go, so I'm not 100% sure of this wiring connection, but I will just kind of inform you how to at least get the cover off, and maybe you'll have better success than me. So around the rim where this white piece meets the purple is like a silicone you can see, or some sort of sealant. Basically, I went in first with a box cutter. I'd say use a scalpel, probably be tidier than this. But do you see these two little lips? One right here, a little plastic lip, and another one right there. So once you break that kind of seal, you should be able to drive like a small flathead screwdriver, like a little tiny one, along the sides of the channel between that. And you can see I pretty well massacred this one. Believe it or not, it still turns on. But basically, if you could separate, see, there's the reciprocal one right in the corner there, that little purple, I'm trying to get my pinky to touch it, somewhere in there where they attach. So if you can get the screwdriver in there and just kind of give it a twist to separate that, I have a feeling you could pull this apart without it flying on the floor and busting open like mine did. So now I'm going to try to figure out how to get the electrical back together to actually contact in there and turn this back on. But at this point in time, you know, I've got a few others of these. You know, you buy enough product, you get one free. So if your batteries go, I hope you've learned a lesson on how to actually take it apart, hopefully without mangling it like I've done. So good luck, and maybe if I can get the electrical back up and connected, then I will maybe put a small video on there of how it actually goes so the motor runs. Anyways, good luck.